Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here, 65 millimeters by 48. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 15 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point here. Okay. Go to modify, select fillet, make a fillet here with 10 millimeters of radius. And select the circle. Make a circle here in the same center of this radius with 10 millimeters of diameter. Okay, we have this. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here, extrude this 12 millimeters. Operation mill body, press OK. Now go to create again, create a sketch, select the front plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 50 millimeters of diameter and another one with 20 millimeters of diameter. Select a line, construction line, make a line between the circle and the midpoint here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance of this line here is 82 millimeters. Okay. We have this, okay. Now select a line, make a line here. It is not a construction line, okay. Make this line horizontal. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this line here and this point here, the center of the circle, is 80 millimeters. Okay. Now select the line again. Make a construction line here between this line here and this point. Okay. Now make a line here with 3 millimeters. And here, go to sketch dimension. Here is 8 millimeters. Okay. Go to mirror. Select these two lines here. The mirror line is this line here, construction line. Press OK. We have this. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. We will extrude only this part. Don't select this rectangle and this part. Okay, don't select this. Extrude this to this side minus 60 millimeters and press OK. You have this. Go to create a sketch again, select the front plane. Go to create, select the project, include project. The selection filter, select the bodies. Click here in this body and this body here. Press OK. You can hide this. Now select the line. Click here in this point, make a line here. Go to fillet, make a fillet here with 10 millimeters of radius. And select the circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Now go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with this line, okay? This symbol means that the arc is tangent with this. But if your arc is not tangent, go to constraint, select the tangent here, click in the arc and click in this line. Okay. Now select line, make a line here, and close here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. Sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and this point is 60 millimeters. The distance here is 27 millimeters. Make this line horizontal. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 70 millimeters of radius. And the distance here is 12 millimeters. Okay. We have this. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, show the bodies. Extrude this to this side, minus 12 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Select modify and select offset. Remove the chain selection here. Select this line here. $12 millimeters. Flip this to this side, press OK. We have this, okay. We have this profile here. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. Extrude this 60 millimeters. 48 millimeters, sorry. Operation join, press OK. Now go to fillet. Click here in this edge. The fillet here is 30 millimeters of radius. Press OK. Now go to create, select hold, select this face here. Click on this edge. No, sorry. And go to reference 1. The distance between this point and this edge here. The distance here is, no, sorry. Select reference, click on this edge here. The distance here is 24 millimeters. Okay. And the reference 2, select this edge here. The distance here is 20 millimeters. Okay. The extend, select all. The hole type, simple. Hole tape type, simple. The diameter here is 12 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Go to create a sketch, select the right plane. Go to create, select project, include project, selection filter, bodies. Select this body here, press OK. Select line, make a line between these 2 points here, and make another line here with 2 millimeters, this line here. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to create, select your rib, select this line here. The thickness is 10 millimeters. Okay. And press OK. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.